Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Alia Afifah binti Ahmad Basha. So today I will presenting our group product design specification PDS for portable bedridden patient care devices which is specific to torso area. So the first one is target user. Our target user is for patient that age 18 years old and above, and both genders, female and male, are applicable to use our product. So we need between 160 to 180 centimeter for the height, and must be between 50 to 100 kilogram for the weight of the patient. So actually our product is more focused to the bedridden caregiver. Okay, next we have function, which is consists of three. So the first one is to monitor and store the pressure distribution record of the body of the bedridden patient. The second one is to solve the pressure sore complication that caused by being bedridden. And the third one is to improve blood circulation. Next, for the safety, the device should be safe to use for patient by getting Food and Drug Administration regulatory approval. Okay, for the cost, the price of the device must be at most 20% of the price from the current similar devices and must be affordable by middle class of people. Next, for the design material, we are expecting to design a lightweight device as it is actually designed for to be a portable and easy to transfer and carry the product easily by the bedridden caregiver. And this product also is actually designed to be used for indoors and outdoors use. Okay, next for the weight. The weight is less than 3 kg. So as I mentioned before, it is actually easy for the bedridden caregiver to carry or transfer the device easily. Next, for the operation. So for this product, we are able to operate 24 hours per day. Second one, able to operate under reasonable conditions such as moderate humidity and temperature fluctuation. The third one is to able to self-operate by the caregivers. And the third one is to remotely control by the caregivers. Okay, as I mentioned, this device is actually designed based on one caregiver at the side of the patient situation. So we just only need one helper for this product. So that's all from the product design specification. So thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ashraf bin Muhammad Ashri, and I'll be explaining our morphology chart. A morphology chart is a visual representation of the required product functionality that allows us to come up with alternative methods and combinations to achieve that functionality. There could be a variety of different solutions for each product function element. Therefore, the chart lists all of the possible embodiment combinations in order to discover the one that produces the best design concept. It enables the solutions to be expressed and provides a structure for considering alternative combinations. In the leftmost column of the chart is the list of each functional subsystem that needs to be provided by our product. Our first function is to place or install the device into our patient. Here, we have come with 5 possible solutions. The first option is to wear the device on the patient. The device will look like a vest. The second option is to wrap the device around their body. It is like those massage belt that we wear on our waist or abdomen. The third option is to put it on the bed like a mattress. The fourth option is the device covers most of the patient's torso like those baby rompers. The final option is that we found is to place a fridge pillow that like device on the bed or beside of the patient. The next function is to strap the device onto the patient. For this function, there are three alternative solutions that we have considered. The solutions we have come up with are zippers, buckles, and followed by using the tools, where each of these options have their own pros and cons that we need to carefully evaluate. Next is to rate the pressure point. Firstly, we may use a pressure sensor to detect the pressure point position by attaching it at the back of the patient. Option 2, force sensor is also applicable, where it measures the force when the patient reclines on the device. Final option is to use air pressure sensors in which the position of high pressure is detected by the air cells. Moving on to the next function is to relieve the pressure point. First solution is to use a gel cushion to distribute the pressure on the patient body. The second option is to use an air fluidized therapy system where the device is equipped with tiny bits that react like a liquid which reduce the pressure. The solution is to use an acupuncture slipper in the device. The following solution is the device gives a vibration effect on the patient's skin. The next option is to use magnetic back stretching. Finally, the last function is to do movement to improve the blood circulation of the patient's torso. As discussed by the group, we may use multiple electrode pads that are able to stimulate the muscles to contract. The next, the next possible solution is that the device may increase its surface temperature. Furthermore, the last and final option is to use an alternating pressure system where air is pumped into the chambers and kept shifting into other chambers.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Alia Afifah binti Ahmad Bashar. So I'll explain about my concept generation. So basically, I'm choosing this one, mattress. This is actually alternating bubble air mattress with electrical pump here. So this mattress is actually have a therapeutic support, which is it is important to pressure ulcer therapy. So this one, alternating pressure mattress is actually to help treat by provide two set of air cell like this one, air cell that expand and contract on an alternating basis. So it's to continually shift pressure, which means one side is have air, another one don't have, another one have, another one don't have. So basically it's rotate like that one. So what is alternating pressure mattress? It is actually purpose to create deflated cell and deflate the inflated cell, which means the inflated air cell provide pressure to support the user, and the deflated cells provide relief for the skin above the mattress. So like this one is actually air cell, and inside air cell there's a air pressure sensor. So this air pressure sensor is to detect at which position does the high pressure occur. So the air pressure sensor read the high pressure, read where's the part that have high pressure, and it is record the data to the cloud, and the data will display directly to the PC. Okay, so this mattress have a strap beside to attach to the bed frame in order to not in order the mattress to not go to the left, go to the right like that when the patient is on the mattress. Okay, so this mattress is actually suitable for any kind of bed frame, and the dimension for the mattress is 200 centimeter times 90 centimeter times by 7 centimeter for the height, and this mattress is actually can withstand around 135 kilogram for the weight of the patient. Okay, so this one is actually foldable. You can uh, fold the mattress. Okay, so this one, this mattress is actually have a hose which is already built into the mattress, and this one need to connect to the air pump, So we setting everything at the air pump. Okay. So this air pump is actually have hooks to hook at the back frame, and it is actually low vibration and not too noise when it is operate. So that's all from my concept generation. Thank you.
The design concept that I have come up with for the device is generally inspired by the typical massage belt that is widely available on today's market. However, its main idea is to reduce and overcome pressure sore on the patient's body. At this part, the device is equipped with pressure sensors so that it can monitor and visualize the pressure areas and store the data into cloud. There is also a detachable remote control, which helps the user to read the pressure readings and control the device according to their preference. As the remote control can be attached to the device, this makes it easy to be located and not to be misplaced. The user interface of the remote control needs to be user-friendly as well. Also, there is an air pump connected to the device as the device is using alternating pressure system, in which that when the air pump inflates the deflated cell, it also simultaneously deflates the inflated cell on an adjustable cycle period. Most of the materials require to be flexible and stretchable so that it may be used with variety of patients with different body sizes. Along with the velcros installed on the device, this makes it easier and faster to adjust to each patient body size. The design is suitable for most applications on any body parts, thus making it able to cover the critical pressure points on torso such as the shoulder blades and sacral bones.
Hello, my name is Daranggun Aureola, and here I'm going to explain concept generation of design concept number 3. So, in this concept, as you can see, the shape of the device, it's actually like a vest. Now you'll see it's like a t-shirt, but it's actually a vest without sleeve. The vest is worn by patient like a t-shirt, from top to bottom, covering chest torso part, followed with adjusting the size of the torso using buckle and belt strap. And the buckle can help the patient to wear according to the size of the patient. So we're hoping that any patient with any size can wear the same vest. Now the vest is covered with pressure sensors and electrical stimulator pads in front and in the back. Now it can be seen from the sketch is actually the boxes part. It is the pressure sensors and electrical simulators. Pressure sensors allows the device to read the sore area of the patient and then record the area to clouds. Electrical stimulator, we're going to use something called interferential current. This method can help to reduce pain and reduce the size of the pressure ulcer. The stimulator is a high-frequency electrical current produced by topical electrodes which can penetrate layers of skin, therefore relieves pain and discomfort. The effects of by wearing this device is to increase blood flow, to perform pain reduction, and to relieve pressure sore. Now the electrodes, I'm saying the stimulator is going to be sticking on the skin of the patient through the vest. concept selection. So in order for us to choose which concept that we're going to use, we create this design matrix. And there are these criteria. First is overall performance, and then manufacturability, and then aesthetics, and then portability, and then user experience. The meaning of overall performance is how efficient and how's the performance of the device is going to be in order to solve the patient's problem. Then there's manufacturability, is how hard or how easy it's going to be manufactured. Aesthetics is how is the looks of the device. Portability means how easy the device is going to be carried around. And then there's user experience, is how the patient and the patient's helper to use it, how easy it's going to be used, and how the comfort is going to be included also inside this user experience. And the weightage is actually decided based on how important it is. The highest is overall performance, followed with user experience, and then followed with portability, and then manufacturability, and then last is aesthetics. So there are 4 concepts here. We determine the marks, all of us together. So let's see one by one. Concept 1. It has 12 total, which the highest mark it gets for this is overall performance and user experience. However, it's not portable. It's not very portable. So the total is 12. And then there's concept 2. It has 10 marks. The highest is user experience. However, the overall performance is very low. And then there's concept 3, which is the highest. It has 20 marks. Overall performance, it has the highest, which is 10. And followed with user experience, 8. And then there's portability, number 3. And then aesthetics, 1. However, it's going to be hard to be manufactured, so it has -2. And then there's concept 4, which got the same marks like concept 1, which is 12. The highest is overall performance, 5. And followed with user experience, and then manufacturability, aesthetics. However, it's not really portable, so it got 0. So the total of this, the maximum is 20, and it goes to concept 3. That's why we chose concept 3 to be used in our design concept. Thank you.